Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on this tablet and bypass the pattern or password protection. Start by holding the power key, choose power off, and tap OK to confirm. Wait for the device to switch off completely. Then use the following combination, power key and volume up. Hold both keys together for a few seconds and release them as soon as the logo appears. The Android recovery menu will show up. Navigate using the volume keys. Scroll down to highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset and press the power key to select it. Scroll down again to highlight Yes, delete all user data and press the power key to confirm. The device is now wiping all personal data and settings. When the Android recovery screen reappears, press the power key to reboot the system. The device is restarting. Wait until the process is complete. Excellent. The welcome panel appears, meaning the hard reset is done. Now you can start using your tablet, and as you can see, there's no pattern or password protection anymore. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up on the video.